Are you prepared to become a YouTube or Instagram sensation? The insider tip is that there is a market segment that is not yet crowded. So move quickly. I'll let you in on a secret that popular YouTubers are withholding from you at the end of this video. Together, let's seize this great opportunity. We are concentrating on the subfield of dark psychology. Why does it have such power? I came upon a monetized channel with only 24 videos, but it has 250,000 subscribers. Imagine the possibilities. The knowledge and manipulation of the human mind is the focus of this niche, which attracts viewers and fascinates people. Let's start by discussing how to set up your channel. A memorable name is crucial. ChatGPT is an ideal tool for idea generation. Let's propose 10 names for a YouTube channel dedicated to dark psychology. Of the recommendations, Mind Manipulation Insights is my favorite. That appeals to us and fits our niche nicely, so we'll go with it. We then require a banner and a logo. We'll use Leonardo AI, an approachable art generator, to create the logo. Though simpler to operate, it is comparable to Midjourney. Choose a picture, set its size, and then type your prompt. When you click Generate, a unique logo will appear. Adjust the prompt until you have the ideal design if you're not happy with the initial response. Your logo should be striking and convey the eerie, enigmatic tone of your channel. We'll use Canva to create the banner. Register for a free account if you don't already have one. Make a design, then choose YouTube banner. Select a straightforward template and modify it to suit our niche. Replace any missing parts, add a dark backdrop image, and rename the piece Dark Psychology. Having a consistent visual style aids in brand building. All you need to do is download your new banner. Let's now discuss the videos, which make up the bulk of your content. Start by using Google to look up articles about dark psychology. Seek out reliable sites with informative content. To prevent copyright issues, copy the pertinent sections and rewrite them using ChatGPT. After you paste your revised script into ChatGPT, you'll have a distinct version that's prepared for your video in a matter of seconds. 11 labs will be used for voiceovers. Choose a deep AI voice that goes with the somber and gloomy tone of your content when you sign up for a free account. After pasting the script, select Generate. It won't take long for your voiceover to be ready. The experience of the viewer can be greatly improved by a captivating voiceover, which also elevates the professionalism and engagement of your material. The images we need to go with our script come next. Reuse Leonardo AI in the same manner as before. Produce 6 to 8 photos that are consistent with the concept of dark psychology. Consider pictures that suggest manipulation, authority, and fascination. Save the pictures you think best illustrate the ideas you're talking about. We can now use the free video editing program CapCut to edit the video. Install it on your device after downloading it. For short videos, select the 9:16 aspect ratio when creating a new project and adjusting its name and options. Bring in the pictures and voiceovers. Place the photos on top of the voiceovers, dragging them to the timeline and resizing them to match the dimensions of the film. Include image transitions to improve your video. Choose an interesting effect, such as the glitch transition, from the Transitions menu. Include transitions between each picture. This avoids the video from seeming flat or monotonous and makes it visually engaging and dynamic. It is essential to provide captions for accessibility and user engagement. These can be automatically generated by CapCut. Navigate to the text menu, pick English, and then select Auto Captions. In only a few seconds, the captions will be created. To make them stand out, alter the text's font, size, and style. To guarantee readable text, I advise utilizing bold typefaces and muted color schemes. For an added touch, incorporate text animations. Before applying the animation, choose every caption to ensure uniform application. Animated text has the power to draw readers in and draw attention to key areas. Add some background music to your video lastly. You may get free sounds and music from pixabay.com. Choose an appropriate song to download, add it to your timeline, and turn down the volume. Your video feels better overall with background music, which makes it seem more polished and interesting. It should not overshadow the narration, but rather blend in with the tone of the content. After assembling all the components, export your movie using CapCut and begin posting it to your channel. Try to post 4 videos a day at the very least. The secret to success on YouTube is consistency. Frequent uploads increase the likelihood that the algorithm will favor you and keep your audience interested. Here's the trick to increasing views and impressions. Use keywords. Utilize the keywords of rivals who get more views in your videos. This easy tip can significantly increase your visibility. Keywords make it easier for viewers interested in your niche to find your videos. You can determine the finest keywords to employ with the use of tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy. By doing these actions, you can completely revamp your channel and draw in a sizable dark psychology-interested audience. To create a devoted following, interact with your fans on social media and in comments. Recall that regular production of high-quality material is more important for success on on YouTube than just content creation. Keep refining your approach based on feedback and analytics. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and topics within your niche. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and watch your channel grow. See you in the next video.